Kalkanhun Menteri ka Sorkar jela hagkat kendai trik no pra, kala menjur bantit ya kajaka Sorkar hagrita Noida, Uttar Pradesh, nakabenta bantay ya Meghalaya House. Kani ka jam katmu nakabenta ban ajaka sa barka jingshakri badan kam ya ki samla puli barki nong shong shnong ka jela, ki balet shakate ka nong ba kari kamtam daka jingwan jonga jewar International Airport. Habakran syakilat thai kubor hadin bala penya ya kajingalang, Menteri rang ba Konrad ke sangma ulaong. Ka kenhun menteri kala ai ka jingmanjur bantiet ya kajaka ha Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh, na kabenta bantay ya ka Meghalaya House. Da ka jingwan joka Jewar International Airport, kan sakala long kajaka pediang kabakongsan. Ka sorkar ka sngodan kam bandan yala ka jong ka jingtay na kabenta ki samla puli bat kinong shong shnong, ki bala let syakatay ka nong ba kari bat kathan NCR. Kalong kabakongsan bandan yala ka jong ka jingtay hakathan. Ula benrap ba ka ni ka jinga dia thiet ka day hapadang ki para sorkar bat ka jaka ka day ka badan ya ka jinghe ka bakumba prahajar square meter hakador laipu arklur tingka kata ka dor bala bo da ka sorkar Uttar Pradesh. Kani ka Meghalaya House kan a ka jingshakri kum ka jaka pedeng ya ki nong trey bat ka jaka sa ya ki samla puli ka banang pensuk bat penjan syaki jaka puli ki upis ka sorkar bat ka ling sun ka banwan. Kani ka projek ka kami linti baka nang penklan ya ka jingdan jo ka jela hakathan NCR kumju ban penklan tru ya ka jingshakri ki nong shong shnong ka Meghalaya hakadikathan.
And it will become a very important center, and therefore government felt the need that to expand and ensure that we have an infrastructure for our students and for our citizens who travel to the national capital and around NCR region, that it would be important to have a setup in that area. So we have decided that land which is purchased from the government, this is government to government, about 8,000 square meters of land at a rate of 32 crores, which again, as I said, is a government rate, and the land is being purchased from the government itself. So today that was approved by the cabinet.